Okay, this is a 2010 Honda Civic EX. Today I'll be showing you how I replace the air filter on this Civic. Okay, it's really simple. Got 4 clips, 2 up front. You just take your fingers, unhook it like that, and then 2 on the side. 1 right here, 1 near the brake thingy right there. Okay, and then you just lift it up. And in my case, I wiggle it, and I was able to get it out. I'm just gonna temporarily lay it on like that. Okay, and here's a filter. Don't just lift it up, look it in, and say, "Oh, it's clean and done with it." Okay, because the dirty side is on the underside, because you know the air coming in go underneath. Okay, so it's good that this is clean, but underneath it's dirty. Okay, so there it is. Okay, so it don't look that bad, but you look closely, you know, you can see a lot of stuff underneath there. I don't know if it's shown on the camera there. That's how you take it out. So next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to take a rag or something, wipe, clean this area up. Okay, you can use a vacuum, clean all the dirt up before you put in the new one. Okay, so I'm trying a washable filter. I got this on eBay about 2 years ago. Okay, so it's fit perfectly. Okay, as you can see, it's next to the old one. Okay, perfect size. It's only fit in one way. Okay, so you just align that curve right there. Okay, so that's how it fit on. Okay, so you gotta wonder why this thing look wet, because it's oil. No, I put a coat of silicone there to protect this rubber. Okay, so next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna slide this in like so. Okay, take your time, slide this hose in first. Okay, hold it in place, and then with your other, I use my thumb here, just push on this clip to lock it in place. Okay, like so. And the last one, there you go. Okay, lock it in place, and that's how you change the air filter on this one. Okay, be careful with this. Don't, when you take it out like I did, don't put a lot of pressure on this, because this is a map sensor. You can easily damage it. Okay, just lay it down easy. And that's how you change the air filter on this one. Hope this video helped you guys out. Thank you very much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye.